Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. So we just did an oil change on this 2020 Toyota Camry hybrid, that is, and we need to reset the maintenance required reminder on the dash. So real quick, I'm going to pull a piece of that video out and I'm going to just make this is the reset procedure on the maintenance required on the 2018-ish to 2022-ish Toyota Camrys, maybe some other models, but this specifically will be for the Camry. So maintenance required reset, let's go. Now all we have left to do is to reset the maintenance required light on the dash. So let's get in the cab of the car, shut the door. Doing this procedure, I did it with the vehicle on, or the hybrid battery was on, it was ready, I could just put it in drive. Usually to reset the maintenance required light, the vehicle has to be key on, engine off to do this procedure, but it didn't matter in this case. Now you can see the maintenance required reminder is on right there in the center of the dash. Now using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, hit the back arrow, that'll take you to the main menu. When you get to the main menu, you want to select the vehicle settings. After selecting vehicle settings, scroll to the scheduled maintenance and click OK. That'll take you to data or data reset. You're just selecting yes right here. You're all done. That resets the maintenance required reminder indicator on your dash, and that's it. Really, really simple. From here on out, I like to turn the vehicle off and back on just to verify that the maintenance reminder has been reset. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. If this video helped you out, make sure you comment below. Let me know the year, make, model, vehicle, engine size of the vehicle that this video did help you on. If you have any questions, again, comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And like, subscribe, and share. Tell everybody about Scotties Hobbies, please. That really helps me out. And I'll see you on the next, hopefully helpful video.